How is it?
Fantastic.
Fantastic?
Fantastic.
What do you feel right now?
Brand new blend. I think it's a very different experience. We've not had this at this airport in a very long time. Minister.
And so we want to encourage all Ugandans to are so excited to give glory to our
The plane is very nice. It's quite spacious. You can see the leg room. There's a lot of space. The seats are very comfortable. The cabin is quite spacious, so those who carry quite heavy load, I think they'll be fine with this. And the lighting in the cabin is also very good. So it's quite a nice. I've been told it's just 15 hours old. Yes. I've been in air for 15 hours. So
Brand
you
new.
can tell how new it is.
Fresh from the paper bag.
Yeah. Embeera yakweyagala era esanyusa okuba nti ekyali ekirooto nga kituukiridde kubanga abantu badde boogera bingi, aboogera obubi boogera, naye kati ababadde balina ekirowoozo nti ebintu bino ebya gavumenti tebitambula, ndowooza kati basobola okukakasa nti wabeerawo obumalirivu kyonna kyemusalawo okukola kikolebwa. Olwekyo tulaba kino kyakwenyumiriza kikulu kinene ng'eggwanga okulaba nti tusobodde okuzaawo airline yaffe ate mu bbanga eritali lyewala, kubanga mujjukira ekiseera si kiwanvu nga ebbiri zaakatuuka, kati ennya eza intano gundi zonna ziweddeyo. N'olwekyo kyakwenyumiriza.
You take pictures, then the talking, you can talk later when you're outside.
Fantastic.
Which review is this one? How is it? Old Locha.
Okay. Okay.
Oyatubulire kyawulira muli. Owulira otya nnyo?
Look at the space. It is very clear. This is business class. It is really nice.
Waliona video ano tukwate kose.
Owulira otya mukama wange? Guno omundi gwakumeka ng'oli mweno. Obusoose. Nnyonnyola abantu ky'owulira.
It is wonderful. Entebe ziri spacious nnyo bulungi, ziri clean, amagulu osobola okugateeka w'oyagala n'owulira ng'oli comfortable. It is really very clean and wonderful.
It's good. The leg room is good. Actually, the leg room is perfect. Enjoying my crane. Can't wait to make my travels.
Laba leg space eno. Have you seen this? Thank you. See business. This is the economy.
This was procured.
Yes,